In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge contacts in HubSpot. Now to do this, first you want to go to CRM on the left and you want to click on Contacts up at the very top. From here, you then first want to click on the primary contact which you want to keep. In my case, it's going to be this one, which is called John Doe, and there's just basically some demo sample contacts in here I'm going to use. So I'm going to click on John Doe, which is the contact I want to keep, and then I'm going to merge it with this one, which is called InstaHow. So I'm going to click on John Doe, and then from here you want to click on Actions at the very top left, and then here, as you can see, there's the merge button. So when you click on the merge button, a new window will appear. It says merge duplicate records, and you have to select the record you would like to duplicate. So I'm going to click on here, and of course not duplicate but merge the duplicate, and then here you want to click on it and you want to click on whichever one you want. So I'm going to go with this one like that, and there we go. It's now going to merge it. As you can see, you can go and customize your properties. You can select which of the properties you want to keep. You can keep them from this first one, which is going to remain as it is, and then of course the merger which you are merging, and it's going to essentially get merged into this one and therefore removed. Okay, so you can then go ahead and change whichever ones you want to keep. I'm actually going to keep it like it is right now. Hit this merge button at the bottom left, and that's really all you have to do to merge the contacts. If I go back, you'll see I now only have 4 contacts because that one got merged into John Doe. That's how to merge. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.